Flagler County, Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present comes from the National Weather Service. Let's go ahead and take a look what's going on across the United States and how is it affecting us here in Flagler County. We do have a weak cold front moving into the southeast. This is that cold front right here. It's slowly, very slowly moving off to the east, pushing ahead of it all kinds of unsettled weather. Now the secondary cold front's going to catch up with it and kick it a little bit. By the middle of the week on Valentine's Day, that front will be stalled off to our south, pushing all the warmer weather to our south and a little bit cooler weather, maybe a little breezy along the beaches here as we get into the middle of the week. Now things will improve through the remainder of the week as this high pressure system is forecast to move further off to the east. That'll push this front further south and improve the conditions here in Flagler County. So let's take an overview of what we expect over the next several days. Unsettled and changeable through Tuesday. Of note, localized heavy rainfall will be possible through Tuesday. So you could get if you get under the right rain shower, you could see a good 2 to 3 inches of rain in a short period of time. Could cause some localized flooding, but not really all that much of a big deal. But then cooler and drier through the middle part of the week and then warming up by the end of the week and into the weekend. So things will be improving here. Now taking a look at our local forecast now, variable cloud and sunny spells, but showers, rain, and maybe a few thunderstorms will be possible through Tuesday, and some heavy rainfall again is possible. Thickening cloud through the rest of Monday, outbreaks of showers, maybe a storm again. There could be some heavy rain. Highs in the upper 70s, lows in the mid 60s Monday night. That rain chance will stay with us through those overnight hours Monday. Now we're getting to Tuesday, outbreaks of rain, maybe some thunder again. It'll be starting to turn breezy at the coast as we get on the other side of that front and the winds come out of the north. High temperatures getting up in the mid 70s, will be cooler along the beaches. Low temperatures as that rain chances decrease Tuesday night. We're looking for lows in the upper 50s Tuesday night. Now as we get into Wednesday, plenty of cloud and a little bit cooler, highs in the lower 70s, lows in the upper 50s. So overall not too terribly bad. And as we get through Thursday through Saturday, sky conditions improve quite a bit countywide. And looking at Thursday's forecast, patchy cloud and warmer, highs in the upper 70s, near 80, lows in the lower 60s. Friday, sunny spells, some patchy cloud, much warmer, highs in the 80s, low temperatures in the mid 60s. And as we get towards the weekend, risk of a few showers, chiefly on Sunday. Saturday looks to be dry, but highs in the mid 70s, lows generally near 60 degrees or so. At the beaches, surf 2 to 4 feet, chilly surf temperature of 55 degrees. A low risk of rip currents, but it'll be increasing to moderate with those onshore winds picking up. Low UV index to start the week, but I'll probably go up to moderate as well when it's that cloud clears out of the way. So remember, Facebook is making some big time changes. So in order to stay updated with what's going on with us, you want to go ahead and go to our Facebook page. Make sure you are following us. Hover your mouse over that following button. This box will pop up, and make sure See First is checked. That'll make sure that you stay hooked up with us in our bulletins here from Flagler County Emergency Services. So remember, weather's always changing. You go to flaglercounty.org, click on webcams and weather to get the latest weather information from the Weather Service. But while you're there, it's always good to be severe weather ready. Even though severe storms are not expected for a while, sooner or later they will be an issue. So make sure you sign up for Code Red. Make sure you get our emergency notifications. Make sure your weather radio is working as well. Now if you have Spectrum, you can actually go to channel 492 and watch us on Spectrum, as well as other Flagler County programs. You can find that too on YouTube, as we have a YouTube channel. Just go to Flagler County. It's actually search for Flagler County on YouTube. You can find us there as well. That's going to wrap things up from the Emergency Operations Center. We'll be back towards the end of the week with an update.